Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by matching the wrench size to the bolt. This prevents rounding and saves time. Once selected, check the fastener head for corrosion or damage so you know if additional prep is needed. Make sure the wrench sits fully on the flats, partial contact slips. Hold the joint or workpiece steady and pull the wrench toward a solid stop. This gives controlled torque. If tight, tap the handle gently to break initial resistance, then continue with steady, even pressure to avoid injury. Once the nut moves, switch to the box end for reliable grip when applying higher torque and use the open end only for faster, low-torque turns. Rotate in small arcs if space is tight. This reduces slipping. Make sure to choose handle length for the job, short handle for finesse, long handle for extra force. If a bolt binds, back it off a quarter turn and re-engage. This clears threads and prevents cross-threading. Keep fingers clear of pinch points as you work. You finish by tightening to a firm, tactile feel. Stop when snug because over-tightening damages threads. Once done, recheck alignment and function to confirm success. If a head rounds or sticks, spray penetrating oil, let sit, then try a larger wrench or an extractor. Hammer a slightly larger box for grip if necessary. Make sure to clean and lightly oil the set before storing. This keeps sizes accurate and ready for next use. If you still struggle, pause and reassess rather than force it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.